Good evening, I'm Jasmine Lowson. Somalians living in London have added their support to a campaign asking for the release of Paul and Rachel Chandler, a British couple from Kent being held hostage by pirates in Somalia. Universal TV and Walthamstow have broadcast pleas to the pirates. They're now releasing a community single, as Liz Wickham reports.
This is the sound of London's British Somali community pleading for the lives of their fellow Brits, Paul and Rachel Chandler, who've now spent almost 4 months as captives of Somali pirates. The song was initiated by the Universal TV channel on a show made in Walthamstow and broadcast to Somalis all over the world. The songwriter seeks to educate viewers to the plight of the Chandlers and their deeper significance within the community itself.
How those who managed, to flee the war came to countries like the UK. And, I'm also addressing, telling the Somali back home how we have been received by the British public here. We owe a lot of gratitude to this community, which we are a member of it now. We are angry about, the abduction of the two couple, and we are pleading with, the Somalis who kidnapped these two elderly couple to release them.
For the couple, now kept separately and clearly suffering at the hands of their captors, any chance of release is worth trying. Liz Wickham, London Tonight, Walthamstow.